Good morning everyone, I'm Angelo Francisco, BSE MAPE 4B. We're going to present Module 2, Lesson 2, Dimension and Principle of Curriculum Design by Purita P. Bilbao. Focus. Let us always focus on the core elements of a curriculum as a basis in identifying what to be considered in designing a curriculum. Many curricularies suggest weaving and design from the following dimensions: scope, sequence, continuity, integration, articulation, and balance. Dimension of curriculum design. Scope. Tyler and Austin 2004 defined as all the content, topic, learning, experience, and organizing trend comprising the educational plan. Scope does not only refer to the cognitive content but also to the affective and psychomotor content. It's a depth as well as breadth of their content. The terms broad, limited, simple, general are few of the words that can describe the scope. With the limitless knowledge that advanced scope provides boundaries in curriculum as they apply to different educational levels, it is here where the decision-making skill of the teacher is needed. Curriculum is time-bound to hence the appropriate scope should be provided such that the curriculum coverage should not to be much nor too minimal. Other considerations in the determination of the scope should include time, diversity and maturity of the learner, complexity of content, and level of education. Simply said, scope refers to the coverage of the curriculum. The scope of curriculum can be divided into crux called unit, subunit, chapter, or subchapter, as the case may be. Search crux is guided by the general curriculum objective or goals. The division of content may use the deductive principle from the whole to the part which would have cascading arrangement, or the identified deductive principle of the example of the generalization inductive arrangement of the scope. Begin with simple concept, the general content, topical arrangement of content, outline of the curriculum may follow some design as thematic, learner, logical. Scope means as all the content, topic, learning, experience, and organizing trends, comprising, and education plan. The terms simple, broad, general, limited are few of the words that can describe the scope. It can describe the scope. It can be divided into parts called unit or subunit or subchapter. The scope also refers to the coverage of the curriculum. Sequence. To provide continuous and cumulative learning. A vertical relationship among elements of the curriculum provides the sequence, content, and experience are arranged in hierarchical manner, where the basics can either be logic of the subject matter and the development pattern of growth of the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domain. Some schools formulate their curriculum objective, content, and experience by grades level and consider the stage of thinking. Scope means its scope, content, and experience are arranged in hierarchical manners where the basic can either be logic to the subject matter and on the developmental pattern of growth of the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domain. Smith, Stanley, and Storr, 1957, introduced 4 principles for sequence. There are the following: simple to complex learning, content and experience are organized from simple to complex, from create to abstract, from easy to difficult. This principle is in consonance with developmental theories or learning and cognitive. Simple complex learning means it stands with the example and then going to the main point of the topic. Prerequisite learning, it means that there are fundamental things to be learned ahead, like addition before multiplication in mathematics, or letter before words, word before phrases, and phrases before sentence. Means you need to learn one thing before learning the next thing. Next is whole to part learning. This principle as relation, the restant, the chorus before the trees, the overview before the specific content of topic. The meaning can very well be understood if very thing will be taken as a whole. Means you see the forest instead of the trees. Means you can see the things as a whole more than its part.